I got problem with them.
Parce que je plusieurs façons. Et parce que les sont les mamoués, mesdames, ils ont entouré. Même là, ils sont sous-même. Les militaires, ça va vite jouer, c'est pas parler un peu pour les talents. Sinon, pas de talent.
DJ Thousand Mix, the finisher.
Okay, you guys are ready? Okay, thank you. Come on, man. Okay, you ready? Tama, don't let me down. Tama. Shanika, don't let me down. Siglo, baby, do not let me down. Okay, I bet my money in all of y'all girls, okay? There's some yes can play back for you. Blah. Okay, Lex. Okay. Lagel. James Lagel. Aye. Hey, guys. Guys. Ne pas les garçons vite dans sa mesdames, ok? Retournez net. Ok, tapez là. Ne pas les garçons. Mes amis sont concours de danse qu'a fait. Aye. Back off. No. Yo. Son concours de danse qu'a fait. Non. Non mais c'est 4 femmes, yo là. 4 femmes. Come on. Comment font l'Élysée? Ouais. Non, relax. Attitude. Okay. Yo. Y'all niggas need to chill the fuck out, man. Come on, man. Chill. Let them girls dance, alright? We're gonna choose because there's a lot of money out there for one girl. What the hell? Let's go, James! Hola. Besami. Wash it on. Pause. Okay. Let's Ok, mes amis, faut-il, ok. Non, talent. Lex, faut que je joue. Faut-il. Ma, ok. On se bat, nous dit là, ok. Monsieur, attendez. Ma quitte danser, mais attendez, son contest la fête base. Vous voulez aider? Son contest qu'a fait. Nous tous ces mêmes messieurs, nous sommes haïtiens. Son contest, we are all Haitian. I know, but they need to. Yo, guess what, man? You know what? I'm about to split that money in 4 and just get this shit over with. Because you know what? Nous pas comme comment il a fait contest. Là, tout le monde voit les vins là en mi-temps. Faut nous prendre temps pour nous choisir qui bon. Et pas moi-même qui choisir. Nous pas comme même jouer là. C'est public qui a choisi qui est le champion. You need to understand this shit, man. Come on. Master Mix. 2 rounds. 1 more round. And guess what? You're gonna choose. Hold up. Yo, hold up. That's about $100. Go get $100 la hunyala. Get $100. Alright, double it or nothing. What's up? What's that? Yo. Give me some music. Yo. Yo, give me some music. Yo, back up. Open up a little bit. Move down your car.
Personally, I wrote the body. I put on some money. I like it, never had it. Let's make it. Now waiting with it. The boom, now waiting with it. Saga, she know one day. She talks, she know way. I know why. The things within my mind. When I see you dancing, girl, you got me high. And if you wanna try, we can go there tonight. Cause I'm in the mood. As long as you feel the good, I deal with you. Personally. Okay. Okay.
Alright. Okay. Everybody, let me open up. Let's open up. Okay. Yo, come on. Cut me down, seulement là. Say right there. Tama, your nipples are hard. What's wrong with you? Come here. See right there. Shay, come here. Sweetheart, come here. You need to open a little bit, man. Come on. Alright. That was a good song. Okay. Okay, I want you guys to choose. Okay, come. Yo, give me a chance, guys. No music. Let me talk to my contestants. Come here. No music, guys. Yo! Relax.